Now let us discuss the new subject of your mechanical engineering, that is the theory of machines, right? Theory of machine is a very important topic if we talk about gate. So in the gate, around you can expect 8 to 9 marks question from the theory of machine, right? 8 to 9 marks questions are coming in the gate paper generally from theory of machine. Now if we talk about the syllabus of the theory of machine, so in this series we will cover just the gate syllabus we are covering. So in the gate we will start with the first chapter, that is your simple mechanisms, right? The first chapter which we will discuss is your simple mechanisms, in which we will discuss the 4-bar mechanism, right? Simple, a planar mechanism, 4-bar mechanism, and your that single slider mechanism we will discuss. Now after simple mechanisms, the next chapter will be your velocity and acceleration analysis, right? Velocity and acceleration analysis. This will be the next chapter which we have to discuss, in which we will discuss the velocity of various links, the angular velocity or the linear velocity, angular acceleration, Coriolis acceleration we have to discuss. Next, after velocity and acceleration, we will move to the next chapter, that is gears and gear trains, right? Gear and gear trains. This is a very important chapter. So in this we will discuss the involute profile, conjugate profile of gear, law of gearing, right? What is the interference, the minimum number of teeths required to avoid interference, and so on. And the gear train, we will discuss the simple gear train, compound gear train, then we have reverted gear train, and last one is your epicyclic gear train. So after this gear train we will move to the next chapter, that will be flywheel, right? The next chapter is your flywheel. After flywheel we will go with the governors, right? Governors. In this governor we will discuss your Watt governor, Porter governor, Powell governor, and your Hartnell governor. After this we will discuss the kinematics and dynamics of single slider crank mechanism, right? Crank mechanism. After this we will move to the next chapter, that is your balancing, in which we will discuss the rotary balancing and reciprocating balancing, right? What will be the swaying effect, what will be the hammer blow, we have to discuss. After balancing we will move to the very important chapter, that is your vibrations. In vibrations we will discuss free vibration and forced vibration, damped vibration. All the things will be discussed in the vibrations. After vibrations we will move to the next chapter, that is gyroscope, and after gyroscope the last chapter will be cams, right? After gyroscope the last chapter will be cams, right? So this will be the syllabus of the theory of machine which we have to cover in this session. And if we talk about the important topic, then every year you can expect one question or two questions from the vibration. This is a very important chapter. Vibration is a very important chapter. Then this simple mechanism is also an important chapter. If we talk about your gate, every year you will get a question from simple mechanism, velocity analysis, right? Every year you will get one question from this simple mechanism, from this velocity analysis, and from this vibrations. These questions are fixed, every year they are asking, and rest one or two questions you may get from the complete rest of the chapters. But these chapters, that is the vibrations, your simple mechanisms, and your velocity and acceleration analysis, you will not be able to skip these 3 chapters in the theory of machine if you want to score a good marks in the theory of machine if we talk about gate, right? So we will follow this sequence. First we will start with the simple mechanisms.